Hello, my beautiful train wrecks. This is Jill from Dining Painting with the Edwards, and I wanted to do a little video. It really doesn't really fit anywhere. Maybe a how to do. What do I have in my case? However you want to call this video. We're just going to talk about some things. My lovely David Bowie box. It's a lunchbox. A very sweet Kristen has a Care Bear lunchbox, and I said, oh, I'm going to start looking for a lunchbox that screams at me. And I love Bowie. And then you open this up and it's got his face. Love it. So what do I have inside of here? My absolute things that I have to have with me. Of course, my highlighter yellow ephemera 3D. I know I'm saying that wrong, but this is a awesome tray. And there's no stopper, but this is curved, and I shake pretty hard, and they don't come out. You have to pardon me. I am day after camping. I've been around a fire. We have Bella art trays in white and green. Small trays in green and in white. Depending on what I'm doing, how I'm feeling, what I'm up to, how much chaos I want to cause is what tray I use. Tweezers. Must have tweezers. They're sharp. Be careful. Some wax. I've got a few here. That'll last me a long time. So I have all of my pins that I use the most. They all have a problem, and I keep them because I love them and I fix them. These are my Amazon pins. Glue dots and wax. They're cheap, they're cheerful, they do the job that they need to do. I'm feeling around to see which ones need glue dots, because we are going to do that today as well. We're glue dotting our pins. Wax, you guys have seen. But that one feels like that one's pretty good. This one is from Nicole, Amazon. It's beautiful. I broke it. These are Diamond Art Club pins. I love these pins. They're fabulous. I did the same thing to the purple pen that I did to this pen. Can anybody see what I did? The break I did right there. So this one is going to need some tape as well. It's still pretty good, but if I can get that fixed. I can't find the pieces that broke off. If I did, I would just glue them back on and be careful. But no. So this one is going to need fixed. So this goes into this tray. This tray is going to be the pins that need TLC. This one, obviously, if you look at it, the tape sometimes comes over. Sorry. See where sometimes the tape hangs over too low, like right there? I need him to trim that off for me. Some of these have different ends. I bought these ends on Temu. I do not even know where I got them, to be honest with you, other than Temu. They are bent. I did not notice that when I purchased them. See, they're at an angle. They're angled. I just use plain old wax, and those are fine. Those are excellent. They need some more glue dot. So what I'll probably do is just wax, new wax everything, and make sure everything gets glue dots they needed. I'll try to do that on camera on this one as well. So yes, I started with these, but the only problem is that they're angled. They're not flat. So it caused a very bad habit of me always doing this, and then I was hurting this a lot. So I went to something flat where I could just, do you see the problem that I've got? This was hurting my wrist a lot. This is so much better. I'm not going to throw them away. not, because if I ever get tired of that angle, I can use this angle for a little bit. So yeah, a 6-placer, and then I have it in a tiny little baby 3-placer. Isn't that cute? So yes, not gonna check those. I can put plastic on them. I'm not going to. Very tempted to take those off and use the new tips, but then I'm like, I don't know. What do you think? Drop these little ones and put these tips. These tips are excellent. They're like a rose gold, and they're very thin, where this one is silver and it's a little chunkier. That is what is inside of this. So yes, glue dots as well. So alright, I think I'm going to end that here. And then I'm going to do another video of how to glue dot and how to fix a painting that is a little messed up. So with that, hugs and kisses. Bye. These, no, not that one. Flat compared to angle. Oops. If I get it the right side, Jill, come on. So you've seen what's all that's inside. Oh, and also too, I got some glue dots. So yes, glue dots.